As a physiotherapist, did you know that you can apply for the HCPC registration for free? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to break down the step-by-step fees involved in registering with the Health and Care Professionals Council (HCPC) in the UK, so you know exactly what to expect and how to plan your budget. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more unexplored insights into global physiotherapy careers. If you love staying ahead, this channel's for you. Now let's get started. First things first, here's the good news. You can apply for registration with the HCPC without paying any application fees. What happens next? If your application is successful, you'll receive an email from the HCPC inviting you to set up your online profile. The first fee you'll encounter is the scrutiny fee, a one-time non-refundable charge for physiotherapists who studied in the UK, which is £81.45. But for those who are trained outside the UK, it's £639.98, which comes to around 70,000 Indian rupees. This covers the cost of processing your documents, qualifications, and verifying your eligibility. And remember, this fee is paid upfront when you apply. Once your application is accepted, you move on to the registration fees. The HCPC registration cycle runs for 2 professional years, and the fee is £116.36 for the full cycle, approximately 24,000 Indian rupees or about 12,000 Indian rupees an year. Pro tip: if you join in the second year cycle, you only pay for that year. For foreign trained physiotherapists, proving English proficiency may be required through IELTS or TOEFL, adding an extra cost of around $200 to $300. If you're a recent graduate from a UK-approved physiotherapy program, the HCPC is offering you a 50% discount. That means your 2-year registration fee comes down to just £116.36, only £58.18 a year. And if you register within the last 6 months of the cycle, you do get the remainder of that period completely free. However, remember, this benefit is exclusively to students who are graduating from within the UK. So for foreign trained physiotherapists, a breakdown of the fee is as follows. Scrutiny fee is £639.98, approximately 70,000 Indian rupees. Registration fee is £116.36, approximately equal to 24,000 Indian rupees. The English test is for around 16,000 to 25,000 Indian rupees. The total cost is approximately equal to 98,000 Indian rupees. Now you might think that's a big number, but trust me, the return on investment on this number is incredible. Do you want to know how much you can earn as a physiotherapist in the UK? We've got a separate video on that. Make sure to check it out. And if you're ready to make this minor investment into a major career opportunity, let's help you. You can book a free counseling session with us. The link is right there in the description. You just need to visit www.academically.com to explore our range of international courses and career pathways for physiotherapists and other healthcare professionals. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope this clears up all your questions about the HCPC registration fees. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with every physiotherapist that you know. Who knows, you'll be helping them in making their international dreams come true. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Take care.